Welcome to Cold Brew Finance's U.S. End-of-Day Recap for Friday, May 29th, 2026. We're bringing you the latest updates on indexes, sectors, technology, crypto, currencies, and commodities. Kicking things off, I'm Max Profit. Today, most major indexes closed higher. The S&P 500 index gained 17.63 points, ending at 7,581.25. marking a new all-time high. The Dow 30 index rose 363.49 points to 51,032.46. Meanwhile, the Russell 2000 index slipped 17.21 points. Market breadth showed more decliners than advancers overall. The S&P 500 index and Nasdaq Composite Index reached new highs despite more decliners. In the Dow 30 index, declines outpaced advances. The Russell 2000 index faced significant declines today. Focusing on returns, the Nasdaq Composite Index leads with a week-to-date return of 2.4%. The S&P 500 index has a monthly gain over 5%. The Russell 2000 index shows strong year-to-date returns at 17.63%. In sector performances, technology surged with the technology sector up 1.8%, hitting a new high. The financial services sector showed a positive trend, while basic materials saw a slight decline, maintaining flat movement for 3 days. Consumer defensive took a hit today as consumer defensive sector fell 1.9%, experiencing strong downward volatility. The communication services sector dropped 1.7%. The energy sector continued its slide, declining for a fourth consecutive day. Examining global markets, Austria, iShares ETF, led with a 1.9% rise. Australia and New Zealand followed, each with notable upward breakouts. Taiwan's consistent gains reflect a very strong trend. For returns, the Taiwan ETF has a remarkable week-to-date gain of 6.13%. Austria and Australia also show positive momentum, contributing to their strong year-to-date performances. In the technology sector, major names faced a challenging session. Apple ended at 312.6, slipping by 0.45. Despite a very strong positive trend, Amazon at 270.64 recorded a 3-day flat movement, showing resilience despite dropping 3.36. Alphabet faced downward volatility, closing down 9.69, equivalent to a 2.5% decrease. Meanwhile, NVIDIA experienced a downward breakout after a recent sideways phase, closing at 211.14, down by 3.11. Meta Platforms, closing at 632.51, saw mixed positive trends but ended the day with slight volatility.
Checking out crypto, I'm Timothy Satoshi. Bitcoin is currently at 73,605.1, a rise of 92.45, with some downward volatility over the past 3 days. While it's on a strong negative trend, the current price direction is upward. Ethereum sits at 2,018.32, climbing 11.71 today, yet also within a strong negative trend. BNB goes for 642.40, experiencing a modest gain of 4.84 amidst a mixed negative trend and some downward volatility. Solana, trading at 82.15 and gaining 0.15, has a very strong negative trend, drifting sideways over the past 3 days. Dogecoin advances to 0.1001 by gaining a fraction of a cent. Despite an upward price direction today, it remains in a mixed negative trend with a flat price movement for 3 days. This session reveals a downward trend in the week's total returns across the crypto market. Bitcoin slid 4.38% week to date. Ethereum posted a 3.77% loss over the same period. BNB showed resilience, managing a month-to-date gain of 4.42%, though weekly returns dipped 2.1%. Solana fell 3.55% week-to-date as its strong negative trend continues. Dogecoin lost 1.98% over this week, contributing to its challenging performance year-to-date.
For a look at foreign exchange, I'm Victoria Cashmore. The US dollar is showing varied strength against key world currencies today. Against the euro, it is currently down to 0.8573 with a decrease of 0.08%. The British pound sees the dollar similarly lower at 0.7429, marking a 0.32% drop, with a notably flat performance over the past 3 days. Meanwhile, its price against the Japanese yen has displayed an upward movement, adding 0.0390 to stand at 159.2690, continuing a very strong positive trend. The dollar lost ground to the Swiss franc, sliding to 0.7811, down 0.0027, as it breaks out of a period of consolidation with a strong negative trend. Finally, relative to the Australian dollar, the greenback falls to 1.3916, down 0.0041. This marks a mixed negative trend with recent downward breakout from a flat range.
I'm Max Profit, along with our AI hosts Timothy Satoshi and Victoria Cashmore. Please like, subscribe, comment, share. Cold Brew Finance is an experimental project with market reports written, narrated, and delivered totally by AI, with market data kindly provided by financialmodelingprep.com. Always seek professional financial advice before making any investment decisions. Check in weekdays after 4 p.m. New York time for daily market reports with in-depth stock, index, sector, crypto, currency, and commodity coverage. Thanks for watching.